Accumulation of wealth at one pole is at the same time accumulation of misery, agony of toil, slavery, ignorance, brutality, mental degradation at the opposite pole. Karl Marx in conflict theory relates to the current crisis of minimum wage because there's a dividend between the working and the owning class. As the owning class gets richer, the working class remains to struggle with stagnant incomes, inability to have a quality of life, and relying on welfare to make ends meet. According to the Census Bureau, in 2000, the city of Los Angeles was approximately 47% Latino and 11% Black. Latinos are 13 times more likely to live in an area of concentrated poverty. Blacks are 12 times more likely, and as for Asians, 4 times. According to the article by LA Chambers, high poverty rates are located in South LA, also portions of San Fernando Valley, Hollywood, Boyle Heights, and areas surrounding the Port of Los Angeles. In 2000, 19% of the 1.3 million households in Los Angeles were living below the poverty line. By the year 2020, Los Angeles will be one of the largest cities to have a $15 minimum wage. That means 567,000 workers will receive this pay that has been long overdue. If minimum wage kept up with the worker productivity since 1960, then the minimum wage today should be $22 an hour. Due to low-paying jobs, many families struggle to live in comfort throughout California. With high living expenses in California, many families struggle to afford other daily necessities such as clothing and food. Living costs in Los Angeles have increased by 40% since 1999. Many families are forced to live in poor neighborhoods in order to put a roof over their heads. Just 14% of Los Angeles County's households were able to afford a home compared to 50% nationwide. Many minimum wage workers rely on public assistance in order to receive help for their families. Working families make up 73% of those utilizing public assistance programs. Keeping minimum wage low means protecting the profits of major American industries, but the government picks up for the tab for many living costs through welfare programs. American taxpayers spend about $153 billion a year helping working families of low-wage earners. Some of these welfare programs include food stamps, Medicaid, the federal health programs for the poor, child health care, temporary assistance for the needy, and earned income taxes. According to the Los Angeles County Federation of Labor, the average worker who works full-time will make $12,000 more per year with a $15 an hour income. The local economy will boost because more people will have more money to spend on more goods and services. Finally, minimum wage is good for businesses because there will be more stability and less turnover rates.